It's the Congress which is now mounting attack on the centre's claim over Donald Trump. Congress said Prime Minister Modi must break his silence on India-Pakistan war. They are demanding a special discussion in the monsoon session. This is Congress which is once again mounting the attack on Prime Minister Narendra Modi and on the Bharatiya Janata Party, asking them to clarify. Congress is now saying the Prime Minister must break his silence with regards to India-Pakistan war, the ceasefire that took place. How did the ceasefire take place? Is the US President Donald Trump, what is he saying? That he's the one who brokered the ceasefire? Is this true or not? Big questions being asked by the Congress party. The opposition, in fact, is all set to meet and they will be discussing all the issues that they will be raising in the upcoming parliament session. The India bloc is all set. The India bloc, all of them will have a virtual meeting. This is the first meeting of the India bloc after the Lok Sabha results. Aam Aadmi Party has distanced itself from India bloc, but the opposition unitedly will seek out issues that they need to speak about. One of the key issues that the entire opposition is looking at, specifically the Congress party is looking at, is Operation Sindoor. And we are seeing the Congress now mounting attack on the central government over Donald Trump's claims. Congress is saying Prime Minister Modi must break his silence on India-Pakistan war and the ceasefire. They are demanding a special discussion in the monsoon session. Let's listen into what Congress MP Jairam Ramesh has said.
मंत्री को अपनी चुप्पी तोड़नी चाहिए और पार्लियामेंट में, लोकसभा में, राज्यसभा में जो खुलासा बार बार राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप कर रहे हैं कि मेरे वजह से युद्ध रुकवाया गया दो परमाणु हथियार देशों के बीच में, व्यापार समझौता को लेकर मैंने धमकी दी कि अगर आपको व्यापार समझौता चाहिए तो युद्ध विराम कराइए, और आज नई बात जो उन्होंने कही है कि 5 लड़ाकू विमान गिरे हैं, तो इस पर प्रधानमंत्री को बयान देना चाहिए और कोई मंत्री नहीं चलेगा। हमारी मांग रहेगी, कांग्रेस पार्टी की मांग रहेगी, विपक्ष की मांग रहेगी, प्रधानमंत्री आए, 2-3 दिन की विशेष बहस हो।